Australia, the sun-kissed land of diverse landscapes, is no stranger to extremes. Yet the winter forecast for 2024 brings a prediction that has caught many off guard: an unusually warm season. Across the country, temperatures are expected to soar above the average, a trend particularly pronounced in the southern regions. The Bureau of Meteorology, Australia's trusted weather authority, paints a clear picture: a high probability of above-average temperatures throughout the winter months. This prediction stems from a confluence of factors, with climate change and the notorious El Niño weather pattern playing leading roles. While warmer days might be welcomed by beachgoers, the broader effects on agriculture, water resources, and bushfire risks are a cause for concern. From stressed crops to increased energy demands for cooling, the effects will ripple through various sectors of society. This warming trend has been observed over recent decades, and the 2024 winter forecast serves as a stark reminder of its ongoing impact. El Niño, a climate pattern originating in the tropical Pacific Ocean, is a major player in global weather systems. Characterized by warmer than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific, El Niño events can disrupt weather patterns across the globe, and Australia is directly in the line of fire. For Australia, El Niño typically ushers in drier and warmer conditions, particularly during the winter months, reducing the likelihood of rain-bearing systems reaching the continent. This can lead to reduced rainfall, particularly in eastern and northern Australia, exacerbating drought conditions in already dry areas. By studying these patterns, scientists can provide valuable information to mitigate the impacts of climate variability. While El Niño is known for its drying influence, its counterpart La Niña brings a contrasting effect: increased rainfall. La Niña is characterized by cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific, which, like El Niño, disrupts atmospheric circulation patterns. However, unlike El Niño, La Niña often brings wetter conditions to parts of Australia. The winter forecast for 2024 suggests a complex interplay between El Niño's warmth and La Niña's influence on rainfall. While El Niño is expected to dominate, La Niña's lingering presence could lead to higher than average rainfall in some regions, particularly in eastern Australia. The potential for increased rainfall brings both benefits and risks. On the positive side, it could provide much-needed relief to drought-stricken areas, replenishing water sources and boosting agricultural production. However, excessive rainfall can lead to flooding, damaging crops, infrastructure, and posing risks to human lives. The unusual weather patterns predicted for the upcoming winter are poised to create a patchwork of impacts across Australia's diverse landscapes and industries. In agricultural regions, the warmer temperatures could lead to earlier ripening of crops, potentially shortening growing seasons. While this might seem beneficial, it can also lead to reduced yields if not carefully managed. Additionally, increased rainfall, while welcomed in some areas, could bring the risk of waterlogging and fungal diseases in others. The warmer and potentially drier conditions in some areas elevate the risk of bushfires, a recurring threat in Australia's arid and semi-arid regions. Dry vegetation, coupled with strong winds, can fuel devastating fires, threatening lives, property, and ecosystems. Early preparation and proactive fire management strategies are crucial for mitigating this risk. The ski industry, a significant contributor to tourism in alpine regions, faces a different set of challenges with warmer temperatures and reduced snowfall. The Australian Alps, a winter wonderland usually blanketed in snow, are bracing for a season of uncertainty. The warmer temperatures and reduced snowfall predicted for the upcoming winter cast a shadow over the ski industry, a vital contributor to the economies of alpine regions. The snow season, typically running from June to October, attracts thousands of visitors eager to experience the thrill of skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports. However, the warmer temperatures threaten to delay the start of the season, shorten its duration, and reduce the snowpack, impacting the quality of the slopes. The potential economic losses for ski resorts, accommodation providers, restaurants, and other businesses that rely on the influx of winter tourists are significant. To adapt to the changing climate, Ski resorts are exploring various options, including investing in snowmaking technology to supplement natural snowfall and promoting off-season activities like hiking and mountain biking. The unusual weather forecast for the upcoming winter highlights the challenges posed by climate change. Rising global temperatures mean more frequent heat waves, droughts, bushfires, and extreme rainfall in Australia. Adapting to this new normal is crucial for the country's well-being. The government, industries, and communities are addressing these challenges. Investing in renewable energy and developing drought-resistant crops are key steps. Stricter building codes help withstand extreme weather. Public awareness and individual actions are critical in mitigating climate change. Reducing our carbon footprint through energy conservation and sustainable choices is essential.